same bras wat ek saam was, stoot fokkeren. Same draak op dieselfde mission, allemaal change bra. En ek hoop die besef, uitslaag, oud change bra. Maar kroon, kijk, is my fire ribbon. Line stop, net soos Dennis de Menes. Line van, dit is 24 keer.
Yo, Six. This you?
Die wereld is zo plat, zo bar, zo perspectief als de klein horizont. En mijn range, you never guide, ding is I. Existente van die universal rappers, put op learning curves. Die een bij die fucking wereld en je bars, drif en aarde chef. Jouw gravitatie is een muff, ik plaats die rap game onderdruk. Intelligent, ik wetenschap, zeg op zijn kop en een worm. Geef je afgrond die jongkunde. Architect van woorden waar die onbekende die normen is. Ik het bars bij elke equivalent, denk wees je bars in mij. Dan krijg je 100 miljoen duizend terug. Ik Boris, ik eindig dit begraven, die rap game levendig. Ik vaat territories, Agent Wilson, I am legend. Wie, I'm a hybrid, elke bar level, transporteer je bars, ging voorbarig, kan niet bagen met die jongen kies je zee. Deze prodigy, maar je kan eens mijn scriptures read. Ik zie meester op je mic, microscoop is zo ontdekt. Mijn flow is zo scherp, en schiet de laser door je bek. Yo, Six, is it you, is that a no or a yes? I'm rapping space-time bars from one dimension to the next Emmanuel. En jij kom een glas door mijn voetnoot. Probeer gewoon mijn jaw, zal je close hoe ze putloop. Net zo wiskunde som wat ik resolve het in zijn pa. Je zeg je beter bars, ik mijn voeding zelfs in je ma. Amsterdam is hier voor de man, ik is een van die mensen. Bar voor de bar is de intra, maken cinema aan met 3G glasses, quality bars. Uranus, Venus, Jupiter en Mars, met punchline kan van die top bars. Het body dan body, het allemaal zaad, space grapplers en flows naar hart. Reeboks op een lengste koers. Mijn baars kloppen in die studio was vol geboekt. Economische partijen spit op risiko. Rappers wat en Nellis is mijn spoeg een stukken ras met bloed. Ga naar mijn enige rapper in die locatie. Boer kan het op een dag, ik geef niet om wat een nazi is. 2026 is een nieuwe jaar. Die rappers is mijn bitches, geef je dan potje mali. Kazi, die rappers worden famous promote. Ik noem hulle bobbeljackers, want hulle weet dat extra koud. Die rappers worden famous a koppel.
International.
Kijk, hulle weet ek is 'n dog, ek hoef nie te sê nie. Hulle weet ek is 'n dog, ek hoef nie te sê nie. Hulle weet ek is 'n dog, ek hoef nie te sê nie. Like skiet hulle. Hulle weet ek is 'n dog, ek hoef nie te sê nie. Hulle weet ek is 'n dog, ek hoef nie te sê nie. Hulle weet ek is 'n dog, ek hoef nie te sê nie. Like skiet hulle. Like skiet hulle. Ek is 'n dog, nes K9, big ups to Keenan. I'm on my bodyguard skins. Ek is half mens, half god in my mind. Ek sal 'n demon se body laat pyn.
Yo, it's T-Dog, T-Dog the GOAT, your favorite white boy reactor from the boy, pra. And we have a new artist on the radar today. ATM Taekwon. I thought that this guy's name at first, before I saw the Taekwon, I thought this was ATM Quantum. Then I actually put in one of my reactions to like promote this. I've put his name ATM Quantum instead of Quantum. Taekwon.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Taekwondo, you know, Taekwondo. But
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
yeah, everyone has been telling me, or majority of you guys have been telling me to check out this guy and check out this track. If anyone doesn't know already, this is a Wahi production and Wahi beat. And it's on Wahi's channel. Shakil Wahi, the beat maker / producer that made Lyrical Ne by San, that produced and made that EP for San. If you guys are not familiar, he's got another artist on his thing. He's got another artist on his thing, and we're going to check him out today. We got a track called Ryk Raak, and you know, Ryk Raak, we gotta get rich. We gotta get rich, you know, in this life. It's not always about the money, ne? Not everything you do has to be a money move, but the sad thing is that we need money in this economy, in this world to survive, actually, which is the sad part, because when we got here onto Earth, everything was free. There was nothing that was priced until human civilization became aware and like started being greedy and the power got to everybody's head. But anyways, man.
Boy, look, we got ourselves a fucking evolutionary physicist over here.
Anyways, man. I'm not gonna get in all that political cuck and all that shit.
Later.
We're checking out SA hip hop today, specifically Afrikaans rap, the OG rap, ek sê. And the snippet that I saw of this, ne, takes me back to those days when rappers actually used to like use lyrical bars and lyrical rhyme schemes and actual wordplay in their tracks, man. This track is like a prime example that real lyrical old school rap is not dead, even though that this isn't technically like boom bap or that 808 drums and that type of shit. But to me, this still has like an old school flavor in it, man. This guy's got that old school flavor. I bet you this is a bra from Holland Park or something. All those Holland Parkers, my bro, when I used to stay there, though, some of those guys, bro, can rap, ek sê. Yo, I remember this one street around the corner from the squatter shop, ne? Across the road from this big burnt building. Now there's a park in this near the squatter shop now, ne? And back in the day, when I was like grade 5, grade 6, there was like this group of Owens that used to come there almost every day, and they used to rap battle each other and just freestyle and all that, do park-offs. And I used to go there just to scope out and see what these Owens are up to and what these Owens can do. I even once hopped up in there. So any one of you Owens that were in that group that was rapping there by that parky, or like used to sit around and watch those Owens freestyle and rap and shit, I was there. If you remember me, you remember me. Oos, ja, ons kom lankal terug, ek sê. Ons kan
Are you high? What it look like, nigga?
lankal terug met die hip-hop, ek sê. You know, I've been rapping since primary school, bro. So I don't give a fuck if you guys hate on me and say I can't rap or I can't do this and do that. I'm always a rapper first, just a reactor second. But yeah, anyways, I'm excited to check this one, and I'm excited to check if I'm going to catch all these bars in this track, man. Because you know, this man, like I said, is lyrical. He's like trying to react to Garo G. It's very hard to like catch word for word, bar for bar, you know. But we're gonna try in this video, man. Because you know me, I like to check it out first hand with you, Owens. I don't like to listen or watch something and then go into the reaction knowing it already. You know that's not me. You know that's not D-Dog. So that's not how it works on the For the Books reactions. But
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
yeah, let's check this one and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know, is this a banger for the books, or is this, nah, this thing is whack. This thing is whackity whack like Wacky Wednesdays.
What the fuck? No!
Yeah. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Ik wil eruit raken met die same braas wat ik samen was tot voor same draak.
I want to get rich with the same bras that I came up with, that I grew up with. He wants to get rich with that same bras that he grew up with. That same bras that knew him from small, me bro. Isn't that what we all want, ne? Don't we all want to get rich with our friends? No, but if it's you that's giving your friends an opportunity to be able to become successful like you are becoming, that's fine, man, bro. We all gotta help each other out here, and we all gotta push each other into that way of making your life better and giving your life purpose and meaning, man.
Boy, look, we got ourselves a fucking evolutionary physicist over here.
Life is all about purpose and meaning. If you don't have a purpose in life or meaning in life, your life means fuck all. And what you're doing in life means fuck all if it doesn't have a purpose behind it.
Boy, look, we got ourselves a fucking evolutionary physicist over here.
Oh, wait. But nee, I vat with this what this man is saying. It's facts though. It's facts though.
Shout out Waggie. Buddy. Ja, goed. Ik wil rijk raak met die same braas wat ik samen was. Stoot fokken
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Same braas,
Oeh.
dieselfde mission aan
Oh, wanneer ek het fokkel gehet het. Oh, means he wants to come up with the same bras that was with him when he had fokkel. Those are true bras, nee. Those bras that will stick with you. Even though you have no money, nee. And they won't now say, if there's a group of girls here, they won't say now in front of them, you know, that ATM Taekwondo doesn't have money. Or when you say now, let's go buy bottles, and you ask him, do you have money? A bra won't do that. A bra won't do that. Won't make a cut of you because you broke. Or won't look down on you because you broke. A real bra would stick with you and help you, bro. And help you build. Just like I said previously, my bro. Just like I said previously.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I just have to admit one thing.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Before we actually get into the rest of this reaction. Waggie, I know you probably watching this. I just want to let you know. This guy's tuning just needs a bit work, my bro. The track sounds fire. The lyrics is fire already. Everything about this is fire. Just the production just needs like a minor button mover or whatever. I'm not a producer or anything. I'm just a reactor and a manager and all that shit. And a soon to be rapper. But oh wait. Just needs like a bit fixing, man. Just a tiny bit. Then it's gonna be 100%. Now it's like I will say 86, 96%.
Sames bra en ek hoop jy besef ek uitslaag uit Sames bra maar kroon kyk is my favorite rapper. Klein stap net soos Dennis the Menace.
Like you see what I mean, Waggie. I'm not being rude or anything towards your production skills because you know you are one of my favorite producers in the bay. You literally are my favorite producer besides Chebo. Yo, Chebo is another amazing producer / beat maker. That guy is phenomenal, I say. But yo, like I was saying, Waggie, like yeah, I can't really hear what he's saying, man. I can catch out like stuck, but I can't hear everything. I have to like really listen and like fast forward and listen and fast forward and listen to actually hear everything he's saying here. Who is this Steven Seagal, my bro? I hear everyone's mentioning this. B-Twins mentioned it in the other track, Hometown Heroes. Now this bra's mentioning it. Who is Steven Seagal, my bro? Is that a Navy SEAL? Or is that a literal seagull? Or is that like a
What the fuck? No!
actor, a rapper? Wie die fuck is Steven Seagal, my bro? Never heard of that man in my life. Yo, I need to do some research. I need to do some research, I say. Need to do my homework. Let's say you guys here that's watching this, you guys have school homework. I have hip-hop homework.
$2,000 years later.
Eh?
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Crowing. Like, getting money is my favorite hobby. Nah, that's about it. That's about it. I was able to catch that with the like the tuning. It sounds so uneven. I could catch that though. Just as ball.
Dankie. Thank you to everybody who is hating your mommy's poos, your daddy's mommy's poos. If you don't like me, your uncle's mommy's poos, and your sister's mommy's poos.
When I was struggling I never asked for help. That's I fuck with that. Honestly, I fuck with that because I am myself like that. No matter how much I'm struggling or how much I need the help, ne, in a certain situation or something, I would never go out my way to go ask this person, can you help me, like with a 400 or something? I don't have food in the cupboard.
Say about fuck!
Or something. I would never be able to do that. Even with my closest brother, Damien Jacobs, I would never ask him for a $50 or something because I have nothing in the cupboard tonight or something, or I don't have petrol in the car or something. I would never do that, bro. I don't even like asking my own mother for money. So I get you, bro. I get you.
Kom jou, hulle doen harder, hy sit op myself. Sal jy change op my verkroon? Sal jy change op my in general? Goed wat ek gesien het.
Will you change on me for money? Would you change on me in general? Yeah, my bro. The internet is fake. There's a lot of fake owens out there, bro. You gotta be aware with who you associate with and who you allow in your inner circle. Because too many owens out here are fake, bro. Way too many owens. And even owens that you know and you speak to and associate every day with are kak fake, bro.
Tot vandag toe is incredible, it's memorable. Kwaan maak hulle mellow soos 'n
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
I don't know what it was about that, ne? But that incredible, memorable line there, bro. Nee, that was hard. That was hard. Just.
inseparable. Ek en waggie slik op al die melodies is net so van ek
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
was 'n jonge nog uit.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Ek en Waggie, what? I think he said something about him and Waggie destroy all the melodies in it. Yeah, it comes natural. See, this bra is saying basically that he was born to do this. He was born to make music and born to rap and born to do what he's doing, man. He's born for this passion. So what he's saying in that boy, ek sê, "Err."
Op die pad op 'n flight, ek donne wat tyd vir die kop is 'n migraine, net hierdie tyd. Bou my op rhymes, sy kwaan is terug. Doen nie shit my way, kwaan is terug. Sy kan nie vreet nie, hoe net hoe bek as jy nie van dit weet nie. Vra hulle, nou sê jy graag, wil jy sê.
All I heard is something. Sy kan nie vreet nie, hou jou bek brie or something. That was just kak funny.
What are you talking about?
That was just kak funny.
Op 'n flight, ek donne wat tyd vir die kop is 'n migraine, net hierdie tyd. Bou my op rhymes, sy kwaan is terug. Doen nie shit my way, kwaan is terug. Sy kan nie vreet. Damn! Hoe net hoe bek as jy nie van dit weet nie. Vra hulle niks, sal jy nog sê jy graag, wil jy sê in braas wat ek saam was, tot fok of heer het. Same taak op dieselfde mission, allemaal change bra. En ek hoop jy besef het, uitslaag, oud change bra. Maar kroon, kyk is my favorite rabbit. Klein stuk, net soos Dennis de Menes. Klein goud, ek is toe nie verkeer heb sit. As lekker respect in die neighborhood. Sit daar so vir holidays by lagoons. Boetie as hierdie dag ek sê in die mood. En ek maak hulle spring soos ek
I had to hustle for my hood. Verby die goons. See, he had to hustle for his hood. He had to hustle for his family and shit, and for himself. Without being a gangster, without doing all this, like robberies and all the schemes and all of this shit. Like he mentioned about the goons. He wants to do his own thing. Like the safe way that he has planned. That's music, mos. His way is the music, his hustle. So ek vat.
het die mense gerop 2022. En my boeties is fighters, strikers, fighters. Shit dat gebeur tussen.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Whoa. You ain't robbing me, motherfucker. I'm a forget that I was doing MMA and boxing for like years, my bro. So come rob me. You're gonna get Johnny Bravo.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But who you robbing in 2020? And why is all your brass fighters? Hoekom is alle jou honnige buite? O, hy sê, what did you say? O, hy sê.
En ek holidays by lagoons. Boetie as hierdie dag ek sê in die mood. En ek maak hulle spring soos 'n kangaroo. Het ek in 2022. En die boekies is fighters, strikers, fighters. Shit dat gebeur tussen al
Hy spring soos 'n kangaroo.
en ek is die skaars en Anna. Ek gou net met distance aan julle die lyn nie. Boeties het triggers maar as jy getrain nie. Bitches het bodies maar hulle die brains. Ek voel soos ek speel. Weg
Now that I could actually hear. That stuck I could like hear. Ne. God damn, that was balls. Nah, that was balls. That was balls. That's what I said. That's what I said, Owen. This bruh sounds old school influenced with his lyricism. Because we have very few lyricists of today here in PE. And that's a sad thing, but it is what it is, man. But I'm glad that this man is lyrical. I'm glad to see that this man is lyrical.
punkies. Weg is ek weg. Saam in die kry nie. Vingers het ringe. Voel soos Tom Brady. Life is a bitch. Damn! Jare baby. Ik raak van die same braas wat ek saam was. Stoot fokkel geheerlijk. Same taak op dieselfde mission. Allemaal change bra. En ek hoop die besef het. Uitslaag oud change bra. Maar kroon kyk is my favor rap het. Klein stuk net soos Dennis de Menes. Klein goud. Ek is 24 keer het. Ek surprise maar sien alang. Kan jy se vijand? Damn! Is alright geweer dat jylle sien op my kant. Never scared to say something en ek sê dit soos het is. En ek skak nie maar niks sê R.I.P.
Nah, you see what he said in the beginning, ghetto preaching, eh? Now he's done rapping and all that. Nice preaching, my bro. Nice preaching on this number. Yo, this man is saying, Yoko. Sis. Yeah, this is facts, bro. All facts.
Het geweer dat jylle sien op my kant. Never scared to say something en ek sê dit soos het is. En ek skak nie maar niks sê R.I.P. vir al my brothers. Wat jylle sien wat ek saam was. Stoot fokkel geheer het. Same taak op dieselfde mission. Allemaal change bra. En ek hoop die besef het. Uitslaag oud change bra. Maar kroon kyk is my favor rap het. Klein stuk net soos Dennis de Menes. Klein goud. Ek is 24 keer het.
A few moments later.
Damn, that was unexpected, go, nah. Whoever put me onto this guy, all you guys that put me onto this guy, nah. I think we just got a new artist for the books reactions. Taekwon, I think I got you for a permanent artist as for the book reactions. I can't wait to see what music you drop next in the future, bro. I can't wait to see what music you come up with in the future, and I hope to see you featuring with these big goats here in the PE, man. Because I feel like you can make big numbers with a lot of these OGs like Garo G and this new guy that's coming up, Hood Boy. Even Jeremy G and you would feature duidelik, bro. I must say that. You got a nice style, you got a unique style, and please stay with that style, bro. Don't try and fit into the crowd or fit into what anyone else is doing, and don't follow the trends, bro. Do you and make the music you want to do. That's the best advice I can give you, bro. Just stay true to yourself and keep on doing what you're doing. And Wachi, I appreciate you for helping this man out and letting him record by you and shooting a video with him, because this man, he's got talent, bro. I'm disappointed with all of you though, because this thing has...
Dankie. Thank you to everybody who is hating your mommy's poos, your daddy's mommy's poos. If you don't like me, your uncle's mommy's poos, and your sister's mommy's poos.
Such min views and such min likes. But this guy is so talented, ek sê. Ryk raak. This might be a certified banger for the books. A definite certified banger for the books. You know what it is. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that one, if you want more reactions from ATM Taekwon, please leave a comment below and tell me if you want more reactions with this man. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that one. Turn that subscribe button on, turn that notification on, and like the video, because you already know D-Dog is bringing you nothing but the bangers for the books. And we come here with more and more hits. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned for the next one because you know we're going to be dropping bangers for the books. If any artist out there wants promotion on their music or they want a reaction dropped on any link of any video or any audio that's out on YouTube, please leave the link in the bio. Please leave the link in the comments below so I can check it out and give you guys a reaction. I'm trying to put on every artist that I can on here. So help me help you, as a belief, and leave your links in the comment sections below. But yeah, I will leave the official link of this in my description below for you guys to check out and give it a like and save it to your playlist if you enjoyed it. Because I know you guys enjoyed this one. Because I know you guys enjoyed this one. The ones that are saying otherwise are talking a lot of bullshit. Lot of bullshit.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh bullshit. This bullshit. Oh bullshit.
This bullshit! This all bullshit!
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was D-Dog. D-Dog the coach with another banger for the books. Bruh.